All right, so for this Nomad Sculpt modeling video, we're gonna do a simple little hat. Um, let's see. We can get rid of this. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go to the front. Go to lathe. It's gonna be really, really simple. So hope this helps. Front curve. So let's see. Oh. Yeah, okay. Let's make this inside a little bit thinner. And this should be a little more rounder. So that's fine. Like this isn't bad. Okay. This is a little more realistic. Okay, let me go. Do it like this, thin it out. Front. Oh, right. My bad. See? Simple hat. It's nice. And then put validate. And let's see, we want to add like some little bandana here or whatever. What we can do is we can actually do the curve too. So let's go to view. Oh, that is no. I guess not. Right. We can go to add a cylinder, right? Add hole in that. And then top, kind of line it up here. Yeah, that should be good. Thin it out. Oh, well, that's the other part. Okay. Front goes like this. Thin it out. Front. Go down this way. Top. All right. We'll go with hats. Cool. Right. And then let's see. We can join these. Actually, no. Don't join it like that. Top. We don't want it in there, but yeah, that's pretty good. All right. The bandana is just a little thick, but that's not too much of a concern. All right, and there you have it. You have your hats. congrats to you. Next thing you can do is we can paint it. So let's go ahead and do that. Paint. Yellow. That kind of looks like a little straw hat. It's cool. All right. Right. Then for this, we can do like a red. And that's pretty good. And then at least for in front, it'll look like a straw hat. But yeah, that's not that great. Okay, if you just want to leave like this, it's fine. But if not, let's do a little more to it. So cylinder, get rid of that. Add a UV, no. Yeah, no, add a cylinder again. Make sure there's a hole. Make the radius of that hole super thin like that. That's what we should have done. Oh, that's what I should have done. Let's see, and then from the top, line it up. There we are. That is way better. All right. Now go ahead and paint it. Force paint it all. And now we have a nicer looking hand. But yeah, sorry about that. Hope that helps with your red straw hat or straw hat adventures. So let's go ahead and export this. Do the UV mapping, and this should be available for you to use. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. And if you want to stick along for the rest of it, go ahead. If not, it's cool. Rub Atlas. Make sure it's all of them. Unwrap Atlas. Sweet. Right. And there we have it. Straw hat ready for export. Save. Yes. And then export as gift. And that's it. All right. Thank you for watching.